तुमको भी मिलेगी खाने को।
Hello, good evening everyone. This is me Ashutosh Prajapati and today I decided that I will make a video for a topic beauty vs knowledge. So beauty I will give priority to beauty because beauty comes from heart, but knowledge we can gain from uh, books and other resources like YouTube, other media, social media platform. But beauty is not only physical appearance. Beauty is come from your heart. Suppose that you are working anywhere, like a industry, okay, you are doing 5S activity. So in case of 5S, what are you looking that? You are looking is a beauty, how is a looking good. Your work you can do as well as good, so because it will look very good. So it's a beauty. But knowledge you study in a book, fibers, how to fibers maintain, how what is a fibers. But in a practical lab, whenever you do fibers and you it's a beauty. Suppose that nowadays some days later, uh, some days some days before, we do a fibers, metafold fibers in a company. So it's metafold fibers in company. So there was here and there, but it's not arranging good manner. But whenever we arrange in a systematic manner, we do fibers and correct fibers. It's looking good, it's a beauty. But if you have knowledge, suppose you read somewhere fibers and activity. So knowledge is a different, but beauty is a good. If you, I can give one other example. Suppose that you all have know APJ Abdul Kalam. So APJ Abdul Kalam, why we all have remind to APJ Abdul Kalam? Because APJ Abdul Kalam have knowledge, but he have already a beauty. Because I think listen by someone, APJ Abdul Kalam got offered by NASA NASA, but he rejected them for work there. And he was working in ISRO for our nation, for our India. It's his beauty. But some people, they have little knowledge and they go outside. But knowledge I think knowledge important. But suppose you have knowledge for speaking, but you don't have art of communication. So knowledge is no important. So art of communication, it's a beauty. Because you can motivate some people. Because art of convey, you can convey of your message to other person. But you have knowledge, you don't know how to speak, how to something sometime you are going somewhere and someone has death, okay, and someone have death. But if you don't have express, you don't have emotion, and you are normally behavior, so some people will think what is the man, Here a man is dead, but he is a other thing. He is in other way. He is laughing. He is many kind of activity. But you have art. You have art of convey the message. You have articulation of message. You have emotionally attached. It's a beauty, and you have a beauty, and you go, oh, I'm so hearted by this. How it is happening. Oh, I'm really sorry. It's a beauty. So people, what will say? So people will say, yeah, what is a what a man. He is a very good. But they see your looking face, not they see your thoughts. They see your humanity. They see your merciness. So beauty is the most important, I think, in life. If you one other example we can say, if you are going to in a way in you are stuck in traffic. Okay, so in a traffic, so you have knowledge, red signal for stop, yellow signal for go slowly, and green signal go ahead. You have knowledge, but you do not follow the traffic. You are gathered here and there. You are passing sideway inside a, so you have only knowledge. But if you are follow the traffic rules, you are you are standing on queue. It's your beauty. It's it's the beauty of your heart. So I think beauty is a most important for our and for our life, because beauty is applying we can everywhere. Either we are studying, either we are doing work, either we are doing household chores also as well. So beauty, suppose we can reading something. I have knowledge topic and reading something, but if we can see beauty, so I will write as well as looking good. So it's a beauty. Beauty is not only looking my face, looking my physical attraction. Someone told the beauty is a because it's whenever I was young, I am young, I'm looking good. After that 50 years, after 45 year old, 50 or 60-year old, uh, it's a federal. It's not, you will not good. But it's not only looking my face or physical activity. It's a activity. It what I do work nowadays. If I remember the uh, APJ Abdul Kalam, he is not looking good, but why we will remind? Because his beauty. He denied the work of NASA and he decided the work for our nation. So it's his beauty, and we are all of remind him for his beauty. In many type of example like this, many people think that knowledge is important. Without knowledge we can't do. Yes, without knowledge we can't do, but without beauty we can't apply, we can't succeed. If you are become a good speaker as well, so you must have articulation of speaking. And articulation of speaking, it's a beauty. You are conveying the message. If you have only knowledge, you have only convey the message in front of your people, feeling sleepy, because you only passes the message, not a beauty of speaking. So if you beauty of articulation, beauty of communication, so you can attract by your speech to your audience. So uh, today it's for today now it's for enough. It's for me. Thank you for listening me patiently. And if if you have like my speech, like you are agree with me, please comment and do like me. Thank you so much for listening me patiently. And you are you are great audience of the day.